Alright guys, how's it going? Jeff here again, and this is a demonstration of a FASCO Parlor Fan. I believe it's a first generation model 938 38-inch fan in antique brass. Complete other than the original mounting hardware. I have switched it to a ball and socket for this demonstration. It was missing some of the original hardware. Is also missing the cover plate on the bottom. It came with ugly aftermarket light kit that I chose not to install it with. Anyways, this is a very nice fan. I'm struggling letting myself get rid of this one, but could really use the money right now around the holidays. It has the more reliable, slightly newer variable speed system where the solid state control is built right into the switch housing here. So this fan is also reversible. It has a pull chain that has either high, variable speed, or off. So 3 selections there. And yeah, let's go ahead. We'll fire her up on high, and then we'll kind of go through some of the variable speeds that it has. So this should be high. As you can see, this one runs nice and smooth, puts out quite a bit of a breeze, runs pretty fast. Really nice fan overall. So now this should get us down to the variable control, which as of right now is still set at high. So let's see if we turn this down, kind of get to the middle of the range. And with these solid state controls, you can tell there's a little bit of motor noise as you go down the range there. Pretty standard on these older FASCOs. Go down a little more here. Not quite all the way on low yet, but and we'll go the rest of the way, all the way down to low. This fan's got a great real low speed to it. A little faster than some of them, but I think that's just due to size. So now we will we'll go and turn it all the way off. We'll go all the way back up to high. And then once it gets up to full speed here, I'll do a spin down from high. Alright, so this fan will also be listed for sale shortly here on eBay. You can watch my eBay account, gdogkzo, if you are interested in purchasing it. If there's no bids placed, feel free to contact me through YouTube as well. And please subscribe to my channel for this and other continuing fan-related content.